If you're a medical device engineer, then you need to hear this. Imagine being able to weld components as small as 1/1000th of an inch with the precision of a surgeon, if not better. Imagine not having to wait weeks for outsourced components to be delivered back to your facility without knowing for sure they've been welded correctly. Imagine your boss and fellow employees consistently impressed and giving you praise for how quickly you're able to create prototypes, test new designs, and improve the products you're working on. And the best part, it's as easy as pressing a foot pedal and available at a price that's never been seen before. The 7604 FiberStar compact manual welding system is the first fiber laser of its kind, with a space-saving footprint and the same industry-best performance that the FiberStar family of products has delivered for over 2 decades. If you want to learn more about the power of this machine and how it will save your company time and money, click the link below and get in touch with a LaserStar expert today.